Hmm. So, if means like as we completed the chapter and we supposed to discuss the exercises. So before starting the exercises, if you have some confusion or query regarding the chapter, you can ask. So first, I'll clear your doubts regarding the chapter, and then we'll start the exercises. So if you have some query within the chapter related to any heading or any topic, so you can ask me, and then we continue with the exercises. Yes.
No, ma'am, I have no query.
Okay. So if you don't have any query regarding the chapter, so let's discuss exercises. I will ask you the question. You people have to raise your hand, and I will give you chance to say. Okay, to give answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
But all will not speak together. You just have to raise your hand. Okay. That will make the class messy. Now, section 1, name the following animal that do not have backbone. Raise your hand. Yes, Muhammad Umar. Yes, Muhammad Umar.
Ma'am, invertebrate.
Here,
Ma'am, invertebrate.
invertebrate. Everyone write it. Now the next, phylum that consists of animal that have soft, flattened, leaf-like bodies. Afsha Iftikhar. Yes, you tell me. Afsha. Afsha, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am, you are.
So tell me. Yasir Raza.
Yes, ma'am.
Yasir Raza. Yes, tell me the second one.
What?
Second.
Your sound is not coming.
My voice is not. No. Yes, tell me the second one. Phylum that consists of animals that have soft, flattened, leaf-like bodies. Yes. Yasir.
Your voice is.
Hmm. Yes, Salama. You tell me.
Please repeat the question.
I just repeated. Phylum that consists of animals that have soft, flattened, leaf-like bodies. You don't have book in front of you? Where you are doing the exercises? Book should be there in front of you. Yes, Salama, you tell me.
May I tell second one?
Second only, yes, I am asking. Yes, tell me quickly. Platyhelminthes, how much you will be thinking about it? Yesterday only we discussed all the platyhelminthes. And the next one, organism having hard exoskeleton. Yes, platyhelminthes. Now the next, organisms having hard exoskeleton made up of chitin. Which organisms having exoskeleton made up of chitin? Yes, Abu Dujana, you tell me. Abu Dujana. Abu Dujana. Habiba. Habiba. Shahzar Khan. Shahzar.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the third one. This much time you people will take, so how will we complete the exercises today? Yes, Shahzar, third one.
organism having hard exoskeleton.
Yes, Shahada, tell me.
Ma'am, I was not there in yesterday's class.
But I had not taught this thing in yesterday's class. Day before yesterday, the class was there. In that, I taught arthropod, mollusca, and echinodermata. Arthropoda, organism having a hard exoskeleton made up of chitin. Arthropod. Now the next one. Raise your hand. Special organ for movement in echinoderms. Locomotory organ in echinoderms. Yes, Yasir. Yasir. Yes, tell me. Yes.
Ma'am, it has tube feet. Yes, ma'am. Echinodermata.
2 feet, 2 feet, one at a time. Means when I'm calling the names, no response. So they are now three together are speaking at the same time. Yes, 2 feet. Now the next one, the phylum to which roundworms belong. Haya.
Ma'am,
Haya. Haya Firdaus Khan. Yes. And who is this where the link is visible on the screen? Who is this? Yes.
can I tell?
Hmm.
Nematode. Ma'am, nematode.
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 Yes, nematode. Nematode. Yes. Now the next one. Cold-blooded animal with a scaly body. Cold-blooded animals with a scaly body.
Ma'am, may I tell? Ma'am, reptiles.
Reptiles also, and here you can write with slash spices also, because they have not written what type of a scale.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So means scaly body, cold-blooded animal, fishes also, and means the scales are of different type in fishes as well as in reptiles, but they have not specified which type of a scale. So here both
Ma'am,
you can write.
Ma'am, may I ask a question?
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, here in reptile, I'm not understanding the first one point that reptiles are a group of mostly terrestrial animals. Ma'am, it means that they are living in group in terrestrial.
No, 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 no. Means most
Ma'am, but
of
reptiles are
no,
also
no.
cold-blooded.
The meaning of this sentence is that most of the member of group reptile, they are terrestrial. Means most of the species of reptile, they are terrestrial. Not means doesn't mean with means specific meaning with the group. Means they that reptile is a group, you can say, or the category of animals. These animals mostly, when you see the reptiles category, which type of animals are categorized in reptile, they mostly are terrestrial, few are aquatic. This means that. Got it? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So it doesn't mean with the group. It means that most of the species of reptiles, they are terrestrial. Okay, so the next one, choose the correct option. Which of the following is a pore bearing animal? Just raise your hand. He,
Ma'am, please tell the question.
yeah. Here just I want to ask this thing. Somebody's link is visible in place of name. So write your name there. Zoom link is
Ma'am,
visible. Who is this? Zoom link is visible. Here.
Ma'am, are you taking section 1?
I'm taking section 1, exercise B. Right now I'm starting exercise B. Choose the correct option. So here
Okay, ma'am.
which of the following is a pole bearing animal? Just raise your hand. No. Afsha, okay, you tell me. Afsha.
Ma'am, B1. Sponge.
Yes. Sponge, yes. The next one, which of the following animal is not an invertebrate?
It is
Not an
snake.
invertebrate. Yes, snake. Yes, snake. Snake. Yes, what? Snake. Now third one, body segmented and covered with chitin is the characteristic feature of this group of animals.
Ma'am, it will be snake or snail.
Body segment. Second is snake. Snake is vertebrate. Snake is having
Yes, ma'am.
vertebral column. So snake. The third,
Yes, ma'am.
segmented and
Ma'am,
covered with chitin.
ma'am, it is cockroach.
Cockroach, yes.
Ma'am,
The
cockroach.
third is the option is B. Third option B. And the
B.
fourth one, tapeworm and ascaris are example
Parasite.
of
Ma'am, parasite. Parasite.
yes parasite. But at one time one will speak. Otherwise, I will change the setting like one can only speak that time. So just raise your hand. I will ask you. Okay, now Umar. And means like those are raising hand, they are giving response, and rest other name if I'm calling like like I if I call the other name, those have not raised hand, they are not giving any response. So yes, Umar, you gave the answer of the next question. All insects belong to this phylum. All insects. Mohammed Zain. Mohammed Zain, you tell me the answer. Mohammed Zain, am I audible to you, Mohammed Zain? Mohammed Zain. Mohammed Zain.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me the answer of this fifth one. All insects belong to this phylum. Yes. Tell me. Shifa. Shifa. Yes.
Ma'am, it will be arthropoda.
Yes.
Ma'am, may I
Yes.
tell?
Yes. Yes. Correct. Now match the following column A and column B. I just want to know who is this whose name is not on the screen. Just Zoom link is visible. Who is this? Change your name. anyway. So match the following: column A and column B. Sponges, the correct match with the sponges. Tariq Abdullah. Yes, Tariq Abdullah. Yes. Haya. Haya. Abu Dujana.
मैम मैं एयरटेल
Abu Dujana. Abu Dujana. Fariha. Yes. No. Fariha Javed.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the correct match with the sponges.
Ma'am, the sponges are with the porifera.
Porifera, yes. The correct match with the sponges is porifera. And the next one, tapeworm. The correct match with the tapeworm is Anom Ghalib, yes. Anom. Anam?
Ma'am,
यस मैम
Yes, you tell me the next second, the correct option with the tapeworm. Okay, Umar.
मैम सलाम वन
Ma'am, flatworm.
मैम राउंड वन
Tapeworm is roundworm. Flatworm. Tapeworm is flatworm. And then the third one, earthworm. The correct match with the earthworm, Shifa.
अपने नीचे बोलो
Shifa.
मैम इट इज राउंड वन
Ma'am, it is flatworm.
Flatworm, beta.
मैम इट इज राउंड वन
Tapeworm with the roundworm.
Ma'am, it is flatworm. Ma'am, flatworm. Ma'am, it's
Tapeworm
flatworm.
is example of flatworm.
Ma'am, tapeworm.
Tapeworm is correctly matched with the flatworm because tapeworm is a flatworm. Tapeworm is a member of Platyhelminthes. Got it? Don't be confused. Tapeworm is a member of
Ma'am,
Shifa, you tell me the third one. Shifa, you tell me the third one.
earthworm.
मैम मैं एयरटेल
Ma'am, I tell earthworm.
Afshan, yes,
Ma'am,
you
I
tell
tell.
me. Afshan, you tell me.
Ma'am, it is segmented worm. Hello, why are you speaking?
मैम सेगमेंटेड वर्म
Ma'am, segmented worm.
When I'm asking, you people are not giving response. Shifa has taken this much time, and then 2, 3 started together. This much time, if everybody will take to give the answer, means the exercises will not be finished even in 2, 3 classes also. So be attentive when your name I'll call. At the same time, you give response and give the answer. Umam. Yes, Umam. Next, shark. Shark should be correctly matched with Umam.
Ma'am, shark will be matched with mammal.
Shark is mammal. Yes, Muhammad Umar.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, shark will be matched to the fish.
Fish, yes. Shark will be correctly matched with fish. Now the next one is whale. Abu Dujana. Abu Dujana. Abu Dujana, are you here in class? Or because no response is there. So many time I call your name. Habiba. 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 Abu Dujana. जुबेरिया बिनत शाहिद. जुबेरिया बिनत शाहिद. Yes, Juberia.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me the next one. Whale. Whale should be correctly matched with. Yes. Tariq Abdullah. Fariha Javed. Fariha.
Ma'am.
Whale should be correctly matched with
Ma'am, mammals.
mammals. Yes. The correct match with the whale is mammal. Now the next exercise is fill in the blank spaces with appropriate word. Poriferans are blank bearing animals. So Shifa, you tell me. Shifa. Shifa. Shifa, voice is not coming. Shifa, I am not audible to you. Okay. Salama. Yes, poriferans are.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Porifera are pores-bearing animals.
Yes, poriferans are pore-bearing animals. And the now next one, just raise your hand. Hydra, sponges and worms are invertebrate as they do not have a. Shahzar Khan. Shahzar. I don't know I'm audible to them or not because no response at all. Yasir Raza. Mohammad Zain. And who is this? Until now nobody is telling about this. Who is this whose name is not on the screen? Just Zoom link is there. Nobody giving response about this. Who is this person? Okay, Afsha, you tell me. They do not have what? Backbone or chitin?
Ma'am, the answer is backbone.
Backbone. Yes. Now the next one. Salamander is an
Amphibian. Yes.
Salamander is an amphibian. Now Zen, you tell me, Zen. Then you tell me the next one. In blank animal, the body temperature changes with the surrounding temperature. Zen. Juwairia binte Shahid. Juwairia binte Shahid.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, tell me. Yes. Yes. The body temperature changes with the surrounding temperature. Is warm blooded or cold blooded?
Cold-blooded, ma'am.
Cold blooded, yes. The animal with those they can change their body temperature according to the surrounding temperature. They are the cold blooded animals, and warm blooded animals they having the body temperature, constant body temperature. Like we have 37 degrees Celsius, we have constant body
Ma'am, may I
temperature,
take one
so we
also?
are warm blooded. Now the next one, whale is an aquatic.
Ma'am, mammal. Whale is an aquatic mammal.
Yes, aquatic mammal. Now choose the odd one out and give reason for your choice. Here, the first one, cockroach, butterfly, hydra, and scorpion. Yes, raise your hand. Yes, Mohammed Umar.
Ma'am, it will be Hydra. Ma'am, ma'am, Hydra is an ma'am area.
Yes, the cockroach, butterfly, scorpion, they are the member of arthropod, and hydra is a member of Cnidaria or Coelenterata. Cnidaria or Coelenterata means another name of Cnidaria is Coelenterata. You have to write reason as well. Now the next one, shark, rohu, jellyfish, and goldfish. So which one?
Ma'am, next one may I tell?
First also you only told, I think so. Okay, okay, tell me next one.
Ma'am, Robo.
In this jellyfish will be, jellyfish is the member of Cnidaria Coelenterata. Rohu, shark, and goldfish, they are the member of Pisces. Are you noting down,
Okay,
students?
ma'am.
Now the next
Yes,
one.
ma'am, I'm getting.
Okay, now the third one, frog, cockroach, fish, and dog. Out of these four, which one is the odd one out?
Ma'am,
Frog.
dog.
Hmm? Frog, fish, and cockroach. Fariha Javed, yes, you tell me, Fariha. Fariha, it's very easy. Why very easy? Use your brain and you'll get the answer. Just look at the. Yes, tell me.
It's fish.
No. Cockroach because it's invertebrate and rest are vertebrate. Frog, fish, dog, they are vertebrate and cockroach is invertebrate. Got it? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the next one is now snakes, frog, lizard, crocodile. Which one? Snake, lizard, crocodile, and frog. Which one? Shifa. Shifa, you tell me. Shifa. Shifa is not giving any
Yes,
response.
ma'am.
Yes, Shifa, tell me which one is the odd one out in fourth one. Tell me.
Ma'am, it will be frogs.
Frog.
Ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am?
Yes. What, Salama? Yes, it is frog
Ma'am, I have a thing.
because frog is a member of. Yes. Because.
rest all are reptiles.
Yes, and frog is
Amphibians.
amphibian. Very good. Now the next fifth: oyster, starfish, snail, and mussel. Which one? Yes. Ataul Ghalib. Ataul Ghalib. Ataul Ghalib. Habiba. No response of Habiba today. No response of Haya today.
Ma'am, I said
Shifa. Where is where is this? Yes?
snail. Ma'am, it will be snail.
No. Shazar. You tell me, Shazar.
Yes, ma'am.
Shazar, you tell me the correct.
The fifth one, fifth question.
Yes, fifth one.
Ma'am, it will be starfish.
I asked from Shazar. Let him say. Yes.
What is mussel, ma'am?
Yes, Shazar.
Ma'am, my mic was muted.
Now so you can tell, beta. Now, which one is the correct? Now your mic is not muted. Your mic is you unmuted it. Yes, Shifa, you are correct. A starfish, because a starfish is a member of Echinodermata and rest are the member of Mollusca.
What's it?
Rest are the member of Mollusca and the starfish is a member of Echinodermata.
Yes.
Now section second. State the main function of the following. Sucker. Yes, raise your hand. Juwairia bint Shahid.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me what is the function of sucker.
What, ma'am?
What is the function of sucker? There is exercise here. State the main function of the following. So, function of sucker. Yes. Afsha, you tell me. Afsha. Function of sucker is to get the grip on the host body. Yes.
Which helps the grip in the body of the host.
Yes. To get the grip on the body of the host, and with the help of sucker, they suck the nutrient. They suck the nutrient as well. So, means they help to make the grip on the host body as well as they help to get the nutrient. Through the sucker they suck the nutrient from the host body. Now the next is cheetah. They are the hair like they are the hair like bristles on the lower surface of in annelids. Yes, the bristle-like structure. Cheetah are the bristle-like structure. They are the underside of the annelids. They found.
Can I tell?
Yes.
Ma'am, they help in locomotion.
Yes.
Ma'am, they help in locomotion. Which
Yes.
help. Ma'am, they have a bristle-like structure called cartilage on the underside of their body, which help in locomotion.
Cheetah and they have to move because they have to get the grip on the surface.
Gill.
Okay, now
Ma'am,
the next one is gills. What is the function of gills? I think everybody knows about it. Function of gills.
when fishes breathe.
Hmm.
When
Fishes have gills, and what the function of it? Yes. Function of gills. Shifa, Ataul, Tariq Abdullah. Yes.
when fishes breathe through gills.
They breathe through it. They are the respiratory organ in the fishes. They breathe through the gills. And yes, what's the function of tentacles? Haya. Haya.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the function of tentacle? Yes. Tentacle function. Muhammad Umar. Muhammad Umar.
Ma'am, tentacle is function as a mouth and the front of the
They surround the mouth and their function is to locomote. They help in the locomotion as well as to get the food. They push the food towards the opening, the big opening that is mouth. And the function of 2 feet is locomotion.